Okay.
What's up, viewers? Today's no Let's Make It Awesome. So I have Duke with me right here, and I'm gonna show you the lead miner in what is the place, Nana? Sorry for that. But we are in Bonne Terre. I think the heart of it, maybe. It is very loud in heart of Bonne Terre, and I'm gonna show you the lead miner. So there's the back of him. Come on, Duke. Okay, let's start walking over here. So hope you enjoy this video, and let's keep on rolling. That's a beautiful tree right there. Yeah, I think you have to walk through here. This is him. That is his pickaxe. They didn't have new flashlights like we have today in mining. They have the ones that you twist on and put it in that, because if it broke, oh well, you're out. You would have to mine in the dark. That's a problem, because you might hit somebody, so that's a problem. But it's really beautiful right here. How much does your car weigh? 13 tons. That's 21-ton car.
No, 2.5 tons.
I hope you had a good day watching my video and hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and hit that like button if you can. Peace!